As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Chongqing Engine Company, CCEC, was established in the year of 1995, producing Cummins KM N series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 11 to 50 liters engines with the power from 145 to 1,656 kilowatts. CCEC engines are widely used in energy, marine, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications.
Hi everyone, this is Jasper from ConeMac, part of VMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce our CCEC KTA50-C1600 modified engine project for Belaz dump truck for Kazakhstan customer, which delivered in June of 2023. CCEC KTA50-C1600 industrial engine is a V16 engine, which is a V-type engine with 16 cylinders. The displacement is 50.3 liter. The overall dimensions of CCEC KTA50-C1600 industrial engine is 3,000 mm by 1,800 mm by 2,500 mm, and the net weight is 4,858 kg. The standard CCEC KTA50-C1600 engine comes with PT fuel pump, equipped with turbocharger and intercooler. The rated power is 1,194 kW at 1,900 RPM rated speed. The full loaded fuel consumption is about 306.2 liters per hour. Due to these two units of engines are using for replace the Cummins UK produced KTA50-C1600 engine that are using in the Belaz dump truck, we finished below modifications based on CCEC KTA50-C1600 engines. The original fuel pump is PT fuel pump with mechanic governor. We modify it into Cummins central electric governor system, which including wiring harness and the fuel pressure sensor extra. The original starter motor are electric starter motor. We modify it into hydraulic starter motor, which is same specification with original starter motor. The original Cummins UK produced KTA50-C1600 engine comes with a pre-lubricating system. So we also add the pre-lubricating system to our engine to match the using environment. The standard CCEC KTA50-C1600 industrial engine comes with the following accessories: water pump, pre-lubricating system, hydraulic starter motor, oil filter, fuel pump, turbocharger, flexible coupling, engine fan clutch, fuel filter, Due to the engine fan clutch and the flexible coupling of KTA50 engine have very long delivery time, and these two parts on the old engine maintain good condition in most of Belaz dump truck, so we didn't supply these two parts to improve the lead time, also lower down the replacement cost for the customers. We can supply engine fan clutch and the flexible coupling as well, with long delivery time and additional charges on these two parts. These two parts also have local manufactured parts in China as well, but the quality is quite low and some of them will be damaged with only 1 to 2 months running. So eMac supply high quality standard original imported parts only, which price also higher than other suppliers.
Committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConeMac is a sub-brand of the eMac Group that focuses on construction machinery application, based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery transmission and hydraulic supporting component suppliers. ConeMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConeMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Dutz, CAMC, Weichai, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.
A promise and promise. eMac continuously upgrade our products design and quality standard. We will continuously improving our products quality and service standard to meet the satisfactions for customers from all over the world. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact ConeMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.conemac.cn.